Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a gradient effect to text in Canva. And in order to do that, we need a third-party tool that is fortunately available in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open a document, and I have this text that's actually not needed, so I'm going to delete it. Let's go to apps, and you want to search for an app that's called Type Gradient. That is the name of the app, and then click on it and click open, and you will open this tool on the side of your Canva document. And then here we can start playing around with the text and also the color. The color is going to be subscribe, and the position or the angle of the gradient can be customized by these two control points. I guess the direction is going to look like this, and you can also change the font. There are plenty of different options, although it is not as much as the font in the regular Canva document. The option here is good enough, but again, not as much as the one that we have in Canva. So anyway, I'm going to go with this key for black 1 2 3, and okay, you can change the alignment, the line height if you want, but the most important part is of course the gradient colors. I personally prefer using this website that's called uigradients.com because they are providing a lot of different colors that look really nice. So for example, I'm gonna go with pink, and these are the colors that are available. So let's start with this color. Yeah, I'm gonna start with, or maybe not pink, I'm gonna try yellow or maybe orange. Okay, let's start with this. I think this is a really fun color to look at. So I'm going to copy this color, and I'm going to click here. I'm going to paste it right here, and let's do the same for the other. I'm going to copy and then paste. By the way, you can actually delete that control point if you want. For example, you could add a new one by clicking here, and then you can delete it if you want. And lastly, it will be here, this color. And when you're done, you can see this is the preview, and you can click add to design when you are happy with the result. So there you have it. This is a gradient text that we just created in Canva. But please keep in mind that this is no longer text. I mean, you cannot just edit it normally like you have a text box in Canva. You have to edit this text using this type gradient tool. So just bear that in mind. Anyway, that's how you can create a gradient text in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.